Dear viewers and subscribers, welcome again to our YouTube channel Max the Service. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to receive all notifications regarding any video we are uploading on this channel. Okay guys, in last video we have done how to install Nginx on Ubuntu. I showed you all the challenges we faced mostly. The one main challenge we face when we install on Nginx on Windows or any operating system, we have to check some firewall options to be allowed. And I also showed you commands how you can enable any option, any port you can open. And today let's start how to install Nginx on Windows. Okay guys, to start installation of Nginx. Okay guys, to start installation of Nginx on Windows, first of all we will go on Nginx website, nginx.com, sorry, .org. org. Here we will be finding downloads and we will see that which version we want to download. So stable version is this is, and here you can download. After download you must extract. Okay, after extraction you will find here and extract it. Now you will just double click. It will ask you to, okay, more info, run anyway. Actually this is the option where firewall asking to allow this application to be installed and accessible in future use. To allow this, okay guys, after installation you will see, after extraction and installation I provide you all the commands. Then you will be open cmd and here you will be checking Nginx version, which version we have installed, and also you can start your Nginx server with start Nginx command, or you can just write nginx.exe. First of all you will check either your Nginx server is started or not. Okay, it is started. In case it is not started, then you can do these commands. So I hope you have enjoyed this session, and in next session that will be very important. We will be starting Nginx as a Docker container. So we will be working with Docker container, how we can build image of Nginx and how we can run that image as a doc container. So please stay connected and let's connect in the next session. Okay, please subscribe my channel if you are not subscribed yet, and also do like, share in your circle these videos, and also provide your valuable comments. And I hope you will be liking and sharing so that I will be continuing with rest of the technologies and tools sharing with you. Thanks.